Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. Just wanted to give you a quick setup that I have here in Overstock, OSTK. Have a nice cluster of support coming in 72.50 to 72.87. This is a royal setup because we are above the 200, we are above the 50, and the 5 and 13 are on a buy. If this low from today is any good, your target is going to be 100.96 and second target 108.56. What's the question we ask ourselves next? Has it triggered? I'm assuming it's triggered on some lower time frames already. Let's look and see if it's triggered for a swing trade, which would be a 15-minute or a 30-minute trigger. And it has right here. The 8 has crossed back over the 34, so this has triggered for a swing trade. And if you are wanting to day trade this tomorrow, I would look at a lower time frame chart for a pullback. But your setup zone is going to be, let me find the chart here again. The setup zone is going to be 72.50 to 72.87. All right, everybody, I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.